In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam from opening Friends and Chat on startup. If Steam launches the Friends and Chat window every time you open the app, this quick setting change can help make startup feel cleaner and less distracting. The process is simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. First, open Steam and go to the top left corner of the window. Click Steam, then choose Settings. This opens the main settings area where Steam lets you control how the app behaves when it starts, updates, and runs in the background. If your Steam window looks slightly different, don't worry. The wording can vary a little depending on the version you're using, but the overall path is usually the same. Once you're in Settings, go to the Interface section. This is where Steam keeps many of its startup and display-related options. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Interface to bring up the relevant preferences. Now, look through the options for a setting that says something like Start Friends and Chat when Steam starts. The exact wording may be slightly different, but it should clearly refer to launching the Friends and Chat window automatically when Steam opens. Not every version of Steam shows options in exactly the same way, so take a second to scan the list carefully. If you find that option, turn it off. In most cases, this means unchecking a box or disabling a toggle. This tells Steam not to automatically open Friends and Chat the next time the app starts. It's a small change, but it can make Steam feel much less cluttered when you launch it. After disabling the setting, restart Steam. Closing and reopening the app is important because it ensures the change is fully applied. Once Steam starts again, check whether Friends and Chat stays closed. If it does, then the setting worked and you're all set. As a quick tip, if you don't see the exact option right away, make sure Steam is fully updated since settings can move around or change between versions. Also, remember that the Friends and Chat window can still be opened manually whenever you want, so turning this off won't remove the feature. It just prevents it from opening automatically at startup. And that's it. That's how to stop Steam from opening Friends and Chat on startup.